Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best Python powers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Marcy-Wrist-and-Forearm-Developer. The Marcy-Wedge-Forearm-Developer offers an easy way to strengthen your forearm, wrist, and fingers, enhance your grip strength and build your flexor and extensor arm muscles using one simple motion with the Marcy-Wedge-Forearm-Developer. You can adjust the foam grip for a comfortable fit and adjust the resistance to take your workout to the next level. Exercise the wrist and fingers of the forearm using this arm machine. It will help you have a firm grip as it manufactures the extensor and flexor muscles. It will support your forearm and wrist in order to be protected while taking a shot to strengthen your arm. You have a variable help that you can use to evaluate your progress. It is constructed with 5% nylon. At number 4. Python Power Twister Chest Builder. The Python Power Twister bar from Core Prodigy is another novel interpretation of the usual energy twister. It has extra long handles that allow you to move your grip here and there, changing the level of resistance accordingly. Place your grip and encourage it towards the finishes of the bar to make it easier, or bring your hands closer to the spring to make it more difficult. This means that you do not need to buy another bar as it gets stronger. Basically modify your grip. Elastic handles are top quality and will not slip out of your grip, regardless of whether you start to perspire. There are the standard wrist tabs to prevent this from happening in any case, and also an internal safety spring to guarantee that you and others should the origin be broken, very unlikely. It's more expensive than other conventional energy twister bars, but considering that you're really getting what might well be called numerous bars in one, we think it's not a terrible speculation. At number 3. Power Twister Strengthening Exerciser Lightweight. Power Twister Strengthening Exerciser Lightweight is the best regular power twister bar you'll discover. Produced with high-grade carbon steel with non-slip plastic handles, this power rotating bar comes in a range of 30 kilograms (66 pounds) to 80 kilograms (176 pounds) bars. The Power Twister Strengthening Exerciser Lightweight also has an internal wellness spring to protect you from damage. Likewise, with all energy twister bars, avoid any doubt that you use wrist tabs together to avoid unintentional injury. The 30 kilograms bar will test, despite half of the customers on the road, so these bars are prescribed for moderate to cutting-edge customers. At number 2. ITTA-Spring-Twister-Builder-Strengthener. If you are a muscular one, now you could have quality, power, and speed in your wrist, forearms, and fingers using this grip. It can also be used by different clients who need to achieve their wellness goals in the middle of exercises. It offers a design of the best quality with a spring-loaded flexible tempered steel dial and a non-slip handle that is secured with delicate elastic that you will love to use. Perfect fitness exercise device, high-quality premium materials and portable for comfort workout at home, office or travel, perfect for building upper body strength. Finally at number 1. LYUS-Power-Twister. Change your arms and your grip using this bar and feel more muscular activation when you increase your distance. Improve your muscle quality and use it, and you will have bigger arms with practical quality. It opposes wear and tear caused by the military revision silicone that has been used to make it. It is non-slip and resistant. Now you could get the full advantage of the abdominal area. Exercise your chest by bending the flex bar inwards, similar to pectoral flies, providing resistance through your entire motion. Perform curls with your biceps and forearms. Full resistance is provided all the way through unlike dumbbells, giving you maximum resistance throughout the exercise. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.